Sunday vlog.
Sunday vlogs, Sunday vlogs.
What can you say? It's been a long time since I last vlogged.
Not again.
We're going inside SM Lana. So I went to the foreign exchange and I got my 50 Hong Kong dollars change.
What the hell? If I was...
Kasi crisis.
If I was holding 50 Hong Kong dollars, I would just keep it as a souvenir.
Yeah, pero yun, nakakuha ka ng 277.50. Okay na rin yun pag wala kang pera. Aeropostale is now open. Maganda mamili dito, pampasko. Clothing. Ito pang basketball. Ball caps. Ito lagi Sao Paulo. 565 ang isa.
Ano, pwede na.
Ito maganda. Maganda to. Pero meron ka na parang ganito.
Dito na to.
1 for 50. Okay naman yung ganyan na price. Basta meron yung may discount. Ay, pero para lang ring may. Para lang ring guess.
Para ano pa? Huwag ka na mag-last minute. Maganda.
This one's nice.
Ito pa oh.
Cotton on. We're here at Gilligan's Restaurant. And we ordered itong F4, boneless crispy pata, inihaw na baboy, chicken and asal, and sinigang na bangus na belly. Here at Gilligan's before a year ago in Manila, and I think I ate there at Glorieta 5 or 1. I was with my friends and we ordered this rice all you can lang because we were so hungry. Super full. The soup is so yummy. Sinigang na bangus na belly. It's the perfect taste for sinigang. So we just finished eating. Super busog. Busog ka? Grabe, ang dami ng serving for 4. Ayun si Anika. Anika! Nawala. Nawala na si Anika. Videoan ko sana. Happens all the time pag nasa Watsons. Hi, Anika! Hi, baby! Ay, nagkasandal! Hi, baby! Bless, tita! Bless!
Oh, nagkasandal!
Bless!
Bless, brother! Bless!
Mamila!
Ay, akala ko nakapalda ka.
Anika, here! Hi! Say hi! 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 Saan ka? Hi, baby! Hi! Anika looks so cute on her dress. She looks so mabait. Diba parang bait-bait niya na bata. So, I actually wasn't able to vlog a lot today, but Nikki! Say hi! There's a friggin' smell in this area. But yes, I wasn't able to show you around today, but we're almost going to go home. May kukunin lang kami sa package counter. We're gonna get something from the package counter. So yeah, I did some swatches from Watsons, and of course I did not buy anything because I'm on a makeup ban. We're going up while baby Anika is somewhere. This is actually their prestige lounge. Like when you have a card, like a BDO VIP something, you can stay there. Something like Robinson's, like the one from Abriza VIP lounge. So we're going to get the stuff we bought earlier. Red ako sa mukha. Anyway, this is what we bought earlier. Ano nga yan? Just some gifts, Christmas gifts that my father will give to his work. Mga workmates ata. By the way, if you haven't, I think I already showed you, but I have a new phone. This one. But this is not permanently mine, but it's going to be my father's soon. It's the Samsung Galaxy S Duo. So we're heading to the parking area. And the car is here. We're here at Ice Giant with baby. So we're now here at Ice Giant and we're gonna get some dessert. So I'm going to show you what we have here. We're now here at Ice Giant, desserts and snacks. We ordered Halo Giant, cookies and cream, and mango strawberry giant. What's that, baby? Snow?
Look.
Ito sa baba. Look! Wow! Wow! Choose. Like yummy? Babe. This is mango strawberry, cookies and cream, and halo giant. Mango. Oops. Ano ito? Ang sarap ang ice cream ng strawberry. Mango. Sorry po. What you do is you mix everything together. It has like, oops! It has finely crushed ice and milk below. And you mix it with the fruit and all the good stuff. Deal. Nag-yellow ka rin si Mega. Hi, baby!
Bayad si Paolo sa araw, sabi ko.
No, ma. Matanong si Paula kung nangyari yung sa PCI.
Ayun sa'yo na ginabayad mo. Bago sa atin yung para pa.
No, ma. Kadami ko yung bago.
Nadilo daw.
Sa pangko. Kadami kong bago.